Trending on Procyon Radio and Television, I am Sarah Agon. I have MKO All-Rounder, a music comedian. MKO, welcome to Trending.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining us. Soldiers hold Fubara and family at Rivers Government House following state of emergency. Why Jonathan didn't remove governors when he declared emergency in 3 states. Second oil facility explosion hits Rivers State in less than 12 hours. Soldiers hold Fubara and family at Rivers Government House following state of emergency. Governor Similaye Fubara and his family have been prevented from leaving the government house in Port Harcourt by heavily armed soldiers on Tuesday night, according to reports. This happened shortly after President Bola Tinubu declared a state of emergency in Rivers State under Section 180 of the Nigerian Constitution. The president made this decision due to an ongoing political crisis involving state lawmakers loyal to former Governor Yemsin Wike. All right, MQ.
At last, Fubara landed himself in a state of emergency. That is good for him because Fubara is not a leader. Fubara is an opportunist leader. That is how it used to be for opportunist leader. In democracy, you have the opportunity to follow the rules of law. The way the Fubara take the scenario that led to the state of emergency, he didn't play it well. He didn't play it as a politician. He didn't play it as a mature politician. He didn't play it as a leader. Now, you are talking of a Wike. Wike is a leader. If you check the antecedent of Wike, starting from when he was a local government chairman to a commissioner and a governor and a minister, you will know he's a leader. So when you see a leader that knows onion, he used to follow the rules of law to engage in a democracy, not that to be using a militancy. An opportunist leader resorted in militancy. We cannot say that we are still young in democracy in Nigeria. We have started this thing since 1999. The leader's voice carries weight either in office or out of office. Like EL-RUFAI of Kaduna, you can see he's a complete leader. That's why you see that his voice still carried weight. Wait until the next election. You will know that EL-RUFAI is a leader. Now, likes of Amechi in Rivers State, after out of the office, his voice didn't carry weight because he's an opportunist leader. Now, let us come to the state of emergency that a leader, our president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, imposed on the Rivers State. Yes, a leader has to be proactive. Let us talk truth. You know that a city president of Nigeria needs 3 states, even 2 out of the 3 states, Kano, Lagos, and Rivers State. No president will joke with these 3 states because these 3 states is the hub of economic of Nigeria. Remember, in 2015, Lagos is APC and Rivers State is PDP, while Kano is NPP. So, the city president of Nigeria need Rivers State. You can see that the people in Rivers State didn't enjoy the dividend of democracy, the reason they voted him in. He's busy fighting Wike, but fighting with the house. You have the power according to the constitution to know how to deal with the house, not to carry bulldozer to the house to remove the structure in the house. They don't do militancy in democracy. Now, as a governor, Fubara, you went ahead and withdrew the charges that they carpeted to another party, which is we give you edge in the court. You withdraw it that Mr. President has called me and I have said you that that's why I withdraw from job. That's where you catch yourself. Now you see what they said. They play you. These people are leaders. They know how to practice. They are complete professional politicians. They know the game very well. So they now trick you. You withdraw the case. Now see where it land you now. I can be hearing now that within 24 hours of the clear state of emergency in Rivers State, that the explosion has been rocking now. So don't say because you are a German, so you are specialized in using militancy. We don't want all these things in Nigeria.
Right.
What we want is peace.
Thank you, MKO, for coming to Trending.
Thank you for listening to my music.
All right, thank you for watching us. Please do subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments on our YouTube channel, Trending on Procyon Radio and Television. Keep shining like the star you are.